Accra Lions, and today it's another painful defeat. Coach, commiserations for the defeat.
Yeah, thank you.
Coach, how do you explain this game? You attacked a lot, created a lot, yet you failed to score.
Yeah, I don't know what to say, but then I think we just have to be purposeful in front of goal. As you have already said, if you had been purposeful in front of goal, this unfortunate defeat wouldn't have happened. But then it has happened. Well, you can't get some of these chances and miss them. We need to convert. We should be able to convert these chances. Not that they are quarter chances or half chances. These are full chances that they should be able to convert them.
Coach, 2 games in a row, no goal for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. What work is going to be done to improve that?
Yeah, more scoring exercises to be able to make sure that they score more at training and be able to convert it, replicate it in games. Again, I think they need to have their confidence in front of goal, and we need to talk to them a lot about how to maintain composure in front of goal. We need that. Once we get a composure in front of goal, which confidence is a key factor, I'm sure we'll be good to go.
Something small to the fans, Coach.
Yeah, I think this is not the result that they are expecting, but then I want to ask them that they should still be patient with us. We'll bounce back strongly. We'll make them happy. They should just be patient with us. I'm sure the players we have now know the caliber of team they are playing now, so they'll be used to it. So they should be patient with us, still support us, and we'll put the smiles back in their faces.
Thank you very much, Coach.
Welcome.
Coach Prosper Nate Ogum, the head coach of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, he believes with time things will get better for his team. He believes he has a lot of quality and also some very good players. So let's see how the next result goes.